Sairam to you all, dear children. Today, once again, I will be explaining to you all the same story entitled A Noisy City, Class 4, Subject English, Part 2, Chapter number 10. But before I explain to you all the Part 2 of this story, let us all recall what we dealt in part 1 of this story, what we discussed in part 1 of this story. Long ago, there was a city called Hubbub, which was a very noisy city. In this city of Hubbub, people were not talking, rather, they preferred to yell. They yelled, meaning they shouted loudly or would say something loudly, right? And following the noise or made by the people, in fact, following the yell of the people were the were the ducks that quacked. The ducks were the quackiest. That means they used to quack with a loud sound. They used to quack very loudly, and then the doors slammiest. That means people used to close the doors with a with a heavy bang, rather. That is called slamming. In the sense, while closing the door, they used to push the door in such a way that the door would make a sound, a loud sound or a loud noise, and the policeman whistled with a very high pitch so that the whole city, the entire city of Hubbub could listen. Right. Now, there was a prince called Halla Balu. Right? There was a prince called Halla Balu who liked the noise very much. Right? Now I will be explaining to you part 2 of this story, the same story, Noisy City. Halla Balu's favorite game was to climb up a ladder, piling up trash, cans, and tin pails as high as he could, and then knock over the whole pile with a loud crash, with a loud sound. He would throw them down in order to listen to the sound, and there is crashes, louder crashes. So, but still he was not satisfied. Prince Halla Balu wanted to hear the loudest noise in the world. A few weeks before the prince's birthday, his father, the king of Hubbub, asked him what he wanted for birthday present. So, father of Halla Balu, who was the king of the city of Hubbub, asked his son what he would like as a birthday, as his birthday gift or birthday present. Then Halla Balu replied, I want to hear the loudest noise in the world. So the gift asked for by Halla Balu to his father for his birthday was that he wishes to hear the loudest noise in the world on the eve of his birthday. Right? Here is the picture of Halla Balu climbing up the ladder to throw away all the bins, pans, and whatever in order to listen to a loud sound. Fine, said the king. So, king, that is Halla Balu's father, accepted the wish of his son, that is Prince Halla Balu. He said, that is, the king said, I will order the royal drummers to get out the special super loud drums for the whole day. I will order the royal drummers to get the special super loud drums for the whole day. So the father of Halla Balu said he would order drummers to get special loud super drums. So super loud drums for the whole day. But I have heard them before. So Halla Balu replied that he has heard them before. Then that won't be the loudest noise in the world, said Halla Balu to his father. All right, promised the king. I will also order all policemen to blow their special super loud whistles. Then he said he would order the policemen to blow their special super loud whistles. Okay. Here is the summary of the video. His favorite game was to climb up a ladder, piling up trash, cans and tins, pails as high as he could, and then knock over the whole pail with a loud crash, means loud sound. He used to make louder and louder crashes. That means louder and louder sound. But still he was not satisfied. Prince Halla Balu wanted to hear the loudest noise in the world. A few weeks before the prince's birthday, his father, the king of Halla Balu, the king of Habab city, asked him what he wanted for birthday present. The king of Habab means, who is the king of Habab? The king of Habab is the father of Halla Balu, right? I want to hear the loudest noise in the world, answered Halla Balu, the son of the king. Fine, said the king. So the king agreed to his wish. Then the king went on to say, I will order the royal drummers to get out the special super loud drums for the whole day. But I have heard them before, said Halla Balu. That won't be the loudest noise in the world. All right, promised the king. I will also order all policemen to blow their special super loud whistles. Okay, here are the few questions relating to the video, which you are all supposed to answer and show it to me tomorrow or in the next session, whatever. What was his favorite game? That is, what was Halla Balu's favorite game? What did Prince Halla Balu want to hear? What did Prince want for his birthday? Whom did the king order for the prince's birthday? So, dear children, answer these questions. We will meet up again in the next session. Have a good day. Jai Sai Ram.